morning and welcome. And that very moment has now arrived. Any minute now, as we are looking at the Parliament proceedings, this is the special session of Parliament that has been convened by the government. And this is going to be a high-stake 3-day Mahamanthan in the Parliament, especially when it comes to the implementation of the 33% reservation for women. And when it comes to this historic moment, we are expecting debate and discussion on part of the opposition as well, because the Constitution Amendment that will also be tabled along with the Delimitation Bill of 2026 and the Union Territories Law Amendment Bill 2026, as what is being said on part of the government sources, that they will be bringing the women reservation and the delimitation bring together and not separately. In the meantime, let's get you, before the Parliament proceedings begin, what the Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju had said.
So, I have one appeal to make to the opposition parties. Please don't spread rumors on delimitation. And on the pretext of delimitation, don't oppose the women's reservation. So, the facts and figures about the seats, about the numbers of the Lok Sabha MPs or Vidhan Sabha MLAs, these are details which will be decided by the Delimitation Commission, and the accurate information will be provided in the Lok Sabha during the debate. So I will not be able to give the figure because it is going to be taken up in the House. But I have just very specific appeal.
Appeal coming in from the government side seeking opposition's cooperation when it comes to extending their support. However, the opposition appears to be divided and fragmented over delimitation bill. Now, as far as the numbers here are concerned and how they will stack up in Parliament when the voting process happens, that remains to be seen. But will the opposition express their support or will they lead a protest? Because cracks appear within the opposition side. Now it seems that YSR Congress is backing the delimitation bill. YSR CP is expected now to back the bill, but however with caveats. And what is being said that they are now urging the centre to ensure that there is fair representation and also ensuring when it comes to the representation of southern states that there is no compromise with regards to the population that is being represented in Parliament. So here is a condition on part of YSR CP. Now, as far as the state of Andhra Pradesh here is concerned, what is being said that the NDA partners would also be extending their support to the government. But when it comes to the southern states, because this is where it gets interesting, Telangana, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and even Karnataka have expressed saying that they will not be extending their support. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister has gone to the extent of calling it as a black law symbolic protest where it was burnt. And this seems to be a black flag agitation as well that is being led in particular by the DMK MPs, where it is being said that they will be also wearing black. But as far as the Parliament proceedings now are concerned, we're just down to barely less than 2 minutes from now. And the special Manthan, 3-day special Manthan that has now been convened on part of the government there, and it is significant. Yes, it's the election season as what the opposition, however, has been calling the very attempt to be politically motivated, but it is historic nonetheless. We're looking at grand preparations on part of the government that has also been done, and later in the day around 3 p.m. is being said that the Prime Minister would be speaking in the House, in the Parliament. So now what we are looking at, less than 1 minute to go, and we are counting down the time as far as today's proceedings will begin in the Parliament. And this is going to be a huge development that would be taking place because the government is of the opinion that they cannot push it any longer. However, they have been expressing their confidence in BJP's victory as far as when it comes to the elections are concerned. And we will be going across to our reporters there. In the meantime, as the proceedings are expected to begin, well, Pragya, it is being said that grand preparations have also been made in the Parliament building itself when it comes to women leaders who will be expecting and witnessing this historic moment.
Absolutely, a lot of women leaders, in fact, MLAs, MLCs of NDA ruled states, they are also coming and will be sitting in the visiting gallery to witness this historic moment as well. But, having said that, the government is also very sure that these bills are going to see light of the day. In fact, they believe that everyone will support this particular bill. The kind of statement that we had seen from the government since morning, they are very upbeat about this particular bill, and in fact so are many of the women representatives who have come to Parliament today across the country. In fact, they all are very excited about this particular moment. They believe that this is truly historical. finally women are getting the share in the political arena as well, which was not possible till now because of not so much of the reservation.
Yes.
Now at least 33% of the reservation is going to be implemented if these bills are passed in the parliament. But government believes that they have the numbers and they're ready, and they're also able to convince few of the opposition members as well about the women empowerment that these bills are going to bring.